guys, welcome to another vlog. I wanted to make a vlog, kind of just like a moving prep type of vlog. I also have some things to unbox. Just wanted to do a casual video because I don't have any of my filming equipment, so I can't really film anything new. I do have some videos prepared to post for you guys until I can film some new ones, but I wanted to make this vlog. You guys seem to really like my vacation vlog, so I thought I would continue and make another one. Sorry if the lighting's weird. Like I said, I don't have my ring light or anything like that. I'm trying to like make the best with what I have right now. So yeah, like I said, I do have a couple things to unbox. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this right here. Sorry. I'm gonna start with this package. This is from Youth to the People. So first off, it came with this really cute card and it has like a little calendar in there. I'm not gonna open that right now, but it's really cute. And then the product that's in here, this is very hard to do. Anyway, so the product that they send is this One World to Protect. This is their Earth Day limited edition cleanser. You guys have seen the regular superfood cleanser. I'm not sure what the original size is, maybe like 8 ounces, but this is a 16-ounce cleanser. This thing is huge. Let me go ahead and open it for you guys. So they made this a limited edition cleanser for Earth Day to... They always use glass packaging, but just to save even more, they made like a really big version of this if you already have the cleanser and know you love it. And also, you can refill like the travel size of this, which I also have, but it's actually being shipped to my new apartment, so I don't have it on hand. But the little one's like travel size is probably like 4 ounces. But here's what it looks like. This thing is really big. It says not to keep this in your shower, which I understand. You don't want this to break, like this is a big heavy bottle. Probably just keep it on your sink if you're going to get this. But I'm so happy they sent this over because I actually haven't tried this yet, but now clearly I have a lot to try. And I just ran out of my Indie Brightening Cleanser, which is the cleanser I was using, which I really love, but I'm excited to give this one a go, especially for the summertime. I think this does have a little bit of a higher pH than the cleansers I usually use, but when the weather warms up, my skin gets oilier anyway, so excited to give this a go. It comes with the pump as well, which looks like that. I'm not going to put that in yet because I have to put this in my suitcase, so I'm trying to keep it closed for now, but I'm really excited about this. I think this is going to come out on Earth Day because it is Earth Day limited edition. Not sure when this vlog is going to be out exactly, so it will probably already be out when I post this. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and mention that. Let me go ahead and put that away first. So that was everything from Youth to the People. I also have some things from EcoBrow. You guys have known, like, I've used EcoBrow basically since I started using Credo Beauty. So I've had this, like, same brow wax from theirs for a really long time. I'm not even sure if it's expired or not, but I like just started to hit pan on it. But they sent me a couple products. They sent me a new, this is the same shade of the defining wax I already have. Love this. If you guys have used Anastasia Dip Brow or anything like that, and you like a pomade product, this is like the perfect dupe for that. So I'm really glad they sent that over. And they also sent their defining crayon, which is a brow pencil. And this is interesting because it looks just like one of the Anastasia brow pencils as well. It's like that one that's, I don't know if you could see that, but it has that angle to it. So it's like easy to get a hair stroke. I don't even know if you can see that. That is in the same shade Sharon. It's called Light Brunette, but it's more of like a taupey blonde, which I love because I do have blonde hair, but I prefer a more taupe toned brow. I think it looks more natural on my skin tone. So the other thing is just a clear brow gel, which I needed as well. So thank you to EcoBrow for sending these over. Wanted to mention those. And then the last thing I wanted to show you guys is this month's Petit Vour box. There was 4 products in here. Let me go ahead and just get started. The first one, let me show you the card, really cute. First product in here is what I'm probably most excited about, another brow product. It's from Kylie Cosmetics. It's their Beach Babe Natural Brows. This retails for $14. It's a full size, obviously. Says it's made with castor oil to stimulate hair growth. This brow definer glides on easily, has a powder finish, and stays put all day. Use light upward strokes to apply. I really like the pink packaging. That's the shade of it right there. This might work for my brows. It looks a little bit warm toned, and they actually did reach out to me on Instagram, and they said they're going to be working on like a lighter blonde shade and wanted me to test out. So I'm really excited that they're actually making a more diverse shade range for brows because they only have 2 or 3 shades. So I will try this, of course, and see if it works out for me. And then the next thing in here is from EIR NYC. It's their active face wash, which retails for $20. Pretty expensive for this little thing. It says this foaming cleanser exfoliates, minimizes scarring, and brings breakouts to a screeching halt. We love that it is made with African black soap, known to reduce discoloration and dark spots. So I actually gave this to my boyfriend because he needed a face wash. And I used it once before. It smells really, I wouldn't say weird. It kind of just smells like ashes, but not in like, but in like a good campfire type of way, not in like a weird ashes type of way. But yeah, it doesn't foam that well. It kind of just like squirts out, but yeah, I think he likes it so far. Really good if you probably have acne prone skin or more oily skin. And the third thing is a product from Blissoma. It's their Refined Clay Renewal Treatment Mask. This little jar retails for $10. It says apply once a week for 15 minutes to draw out impurities, refine skin texture, improve hydration, and prevent and treat breakouts. You can also use that as an overnight spot treatment for blemishes. This smells so good. I actually did already use this. This came in handy because I forgot to leave out like a mask because you guys know I'm moving, so most of my skincare is being shipped to my new apartment. And I only have like a couple skincare products that I kept. Anyway, this was really nice. Like I said, I did already use this before. I put it in my T-zone on my chin. It smells really good. It was kind of just like a typical clay mask. I feel like I have to use it some more to see how it really works out. But yeah, really excited I got to try this out. And the last thing is something I'm really excited about as well. It's from Juice Beauty. It's their Antioxidant Serum. This bad boy retails for $6. I love Juice Beauty's makeup and all the skincare I've tried from them so far I really loved. So I was super excited to see this in this month's Petit Vour box. It says the serum is like a daily vitamin for your skin. Use after cleansing and before moisturizing to infuse your skin with a healthy dose of resveratrol and hyaluronic acid. I have been using this. I think I'm actually almost out of this because I got the box a while ago. It's a really nice sort of lightweight consistency. It layers well. I usually use a lot of serums at night and it pairs well with everything I've used it with. It doesn't really have too much of a scent to it. It kind of just makes my skin feel really hydrated and plump. So enjoying this so far. I love Petit Vour because I get to try out products like this. Like, I'm such a serum junkie, but I usually don't like to buy the full sizes without like trying them out first. So perfect opportunity. And if you guys don't already know, I have a coupon code with Petit Vour. Use the code Lindsay25. You get 25% off your first box. I will put it on the screen here, and that's always in the description in like all of my videos. So if you guys did want to sign up for Petit Vour, just check in the description and then use Lindsay25 for 25% off your first box. Good little deal for you guys. I love Petit Vour. Their boxes are like amazing every month. So yeah, that was it for this month's Petit Vour box, and that was about it for the unboxing. Hey guys, I was just about to sit down and do my nighttime skincare, so I thought, why not go ahead and show you guys the products I've been using lately. A lot of you guys were curious about my skincare routine, so I thought I would just show you. These are the products that I've kept with me, so it's probably a little bit different than what I would use if I had all my products on hand, but this is just like the products that I kept. And I actually just put on a mask. I used already rinsed it off, obviously. It's the Blissoma Refined Rescue Mask, which is in this month's Petit Vour box that I just unboxed. Yeah, I really like the texture of it. It smells so good. Really interesting texture. It like dries down because of the clay mask, but it's not too like tightening. Left my face feeling really nice. So anyway, first step here is going to be, I'm actually going to put some lip balm on first because my lips are feeling dry. This is from Bite Beauty. This is one of their like new Agave Plus products, which are vegan, which is really awesome. I've been wanting to try like their Agave lip product line, but it wasn't vegan, so I was like, I'll hold off because I have other lip products. But really excited that they came out with this. This is the Agave Plus Nighttime Lip Therapy. So it's really cute. Comes with like a little spatula. I usually just use my fingers though. I just take a little bit, and it's just a really like therapeutic type of balm. I swear this has saved my lips because my lips were so dry, and this is the only thing that was actually helping it. This, and then they have like a daytime balm and then a scrub in the collection as well, so that's really exciting. Yeah, I love using this. I put this on in the morning as well, usually when I'm doing my makeup, just to prep my lips if I'm like wearing any lipstick that day. So yeah, loving that so far. First off, I'm just gonna mist onto my face. I usually put this on a cotton pad, but I don't really feel like it. Sometimes I just mist. It's the Indie Lee CoQ10 toner. I've been using this about halfway done. Really enjoying it so far. This is a really nice, like, I don't even know, it's kind of citrusy. It's like a classic Indie Lee type of scent. The spray isn't great on this, which is why I usually put it on a cotton pad. I think it's made to be put onto some sort of cotton round anyway. But yeah, I just like to get my skin damp so that the serums absorb well. And then I usually go in with the Pi Skincare Perfect Balance Blemish Serum right after I do that. I like to do about 2 pumps. I do it right after I mist so that it really sinks into my skin well. When your skin is damp, usually products get absorbed a lot better because the water sort of delivers the products deeper into your skin. So that's why I usually like to mist and then immediately go in with a serum. Anyway, really been loving this serum lately. Then after that, I go in with the Credo Beauty Brightening Serum, which I'm actually pretty sure I'm like almost out of this. Yeah, that's sad. I have like literally only that much left. But I like to focus this on my acne scarring. It's been looking a lot better, like my skin in general. I've just been really happy with where it's at, thanks to all those products. And then I go in with the Credo Beauty Eye Serum, usually just on my finger. I do 1 pump of this, which is actually like too much for under your eyes, but I take it right in my smile lines as well because it's just a really beautiful plumping serum. And then usually while that's sinking in, I go in with another serum. I usually use a lot of serums at night. I don't know, just like to really layer up those at night because in the morning I don't really feel like doing a bunch of serums, but at night I like to take my time, you know, do all my intricate serum work. That doesn't make sense, but yeah, this is the Juice Beauty Antioxidant Serum, which was also in this month's Petit Vour box, and I've really been liking it lately. I don't think this like pills up weird with anything. Like when I do this many serums, at least with those serums that I just mentioned, they don't like pill up on each other or like become super tacky. I feel like if you layered a lot of tacky primers, it would kind of be weird, but this is like the tackiest out of them, which is why I probably do it last, just so, you know, it doesn't feel weird when I'm rubbing other serums on top of it. But that is the last serum that I do, and then I do another eye product. I know my night routine is like, it's too many products, but I love using skincare, so. Next product I use is the Gold Faded MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. This is just an eye cream. Brought this on vacation with me. Just a really nice lightweight eye cream, and I do think it helps with dark circles. Maybe it's the Credo Beauty Eye Serum in combination with that, but I really like it. I also tried that. I got a sample of it in the Petit Vour box a couple months back and really enjoyed it, so glad I have the full size now. So after that is all set, now it's time for some facial oils. Sometimes I like to let this sit in before I do like any sort of moisturizer, or I go in right away. Really depends on what I feel like doing. Just for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and put on my moisturizer type products. I'm going to go in first with the Indie Lee Daily Skin Nutrition. I'm going to do this is a cream, about 2 pumps of this on my fingertips, and then just rub it in. I like the scent of it. It definitely smells like rosemary. If you don't like the smell of rosemary, you probably would not like this, but I think it smells really nice and fresh. It's not too overpowering. I don't think any of Indie Lee's products are like too much. They're kind of just like the perfect amount of natural scent that makes you like that smells good. You know what I'm saying? So once that sinks in, I will either use this Indie Lee Daily Vitamin Infusion, but I'm actually going to use the other option, which is the Pi Rosehip Bioregenerate Oil. I've been using this a ton. Oh, I love it so much. It's rosehip seed and fruit extract, so it's actually really powerful. When I first saw this, I did not believe that hype at all. I was like, oh, it's just a rosehip seed oil. Like, I've had a bunch of those before, and like how magical can it really be, but I think because it has both the fruit and the seed extract, it's actually like, it works a lot better than any other like rosehip seed oil I've tried. Oh, it's just so beautiful, and it doesn't leave me looking like too greasy. I usually like to pat this in, especially around my scarring. I usually like to put a little bit extra there and just really push it into my skin. I usually take this down my neck and then my chest as well, but I'm wearing a shirt where I can't do that. Alright guys, that was all for my nighttime skincare routine. Face feels really nice. I really like this routine I've been doing lately. I'll definitely do some updated ones on my channel soon. I know you guys have been really interested about like what kind of skincare I've been using, so I'll definitely keep that in mind when I make future skincare videos. So yeah, that was about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this little vlog style video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and then give me a like and a comment below. Comment below like if you like these vlog style videos and what other types of videos you'd love to see from me. So thank you for watching again, and I will see you guys in my next video.